Okay, yeah. I don't do a whole lot of reviews because I only do a review if I absolutely love a product. I ordered this amazing little grinder from Amazon and it came yesterday. And I just love it, you guys. The delivery was a nightmare if you saw my video. And hopefully I don't get another delivery like that ever again, or I'll no longer be an Amazon Prime member. But I'll miss stuff like this. This grinder is so cool. It came with the grinder, it came with a little brush to clean it, little extra container so that you can put your coffee in after you grind it up. It's got two settings, the fine and the coarse. I like the coarse. I've never had coarse because I've never used beans. I also had gotten these beans off Amazon, and they are wonderful. Smells so good when it's brewing like right now, and it tastes better even than it smells. But this little grinder, I've got arthritis. 2 bad shoulders, arthritis in my hands. I was really worried about getting a manual grinder, but I wanted a manual one. Power goes out. I want to be able to get my coffee, you know what I'm saying? I have a gas stove and a little percolator that can go on there, so that's not going to be a hindrance. So, but anyway, I mean, it just turns so easy. And the cutest little thing. I like how they're a little bit rustic looking. And like I said, they are wonderful, guys. Give them a try. You won't regret it.
Hey gang, I just wanted to do a quick review here for Amazon. This is the worst freaking invention ever. All right, if you want to drink your coffee in 2027, start peeling it with this stuff.